Well, hello there. Today you're going to learn how to create an Animoto video. You're going to log in with your Google credentials, your school Google credentials, and once you do, you're going to start with Create in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from there, you're going to choose Start from Scratch. We're doing a Secret Santa video, so it's holiday themed. If you scroll across, you'll be able to see the different themes to choose from. While there is one that looks holiday-ish, you can choose that. You can choose any of the others that you like and adapt it as needed with pictures or what have you. So I'll just choose this one to keep it holiday-ish and the easiest. I'm going to keep it at landscape, so I don't have to do anything but click it. I'm going to go ahead and upload my media. Now, before you start making this video, you're going to need to get the background image you would like to use. You're also going to need to get the pictures of the items that you purchased for your Secret Santa and any video clips that you might want to use that you've found online. So this is when I'm going to upload it all. I've already previously gotten all those, so here I'm going to click. And I'm going to go locate the items that I need to upload. These are all of the items that I need to upload. So I'm going to, I forgot one right here, and click Open. Now they're all uploading, and once I get them uploaded, it's merely just let's build it. So if you look at the instructions, you'll see the first thing you need is a title screen. You'll find your instructions on Google Classroom, so make sure you go check Google Classroom. And the very first instruction does indeed say that you need to pick a design, which we've already done that, and then we're going to have a title that includes your Secret Santa's name and your name. And so let's go ahead and get that started. First of all, I'm going to get my background. I don't want just a gray background. This is the background that I selected. Again, I just found this picture online and I'm using it. And so now I'm just going to add text. To add text, I click the T right over here and pick which style of text that I would like to include. And so here I go. So I'm going to double click in this box and type Secret Santa Gifts to, in my case, I'm getting gifts for Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, and who it's from. And so I can adjust this wherever I need. I can change the color of the font, the background, what have you. I can do bigger if size 50 is not big enough. I would like to tell you to avoid the bottom right corner. Don't put anything down in the bottom right corner of each of the scenes because it will be watermarked and the watermark will cover it up. So I think I'll center it. There we go. And that one's done. Now all I have to do is drag in the media that I want. So each of the 7 things that I bought for The Rock. So I'm going to click and drag this picture over. And notice that you can't see the whole picture. You're going to need to click on it and go to Scale and then move this progression bar down so you can see the entire image. I mean, you can go the other way, but that's not very good. So I've got that. Now I'm going to add text. On each of the pictures, you're going to need to include the name of the item, how much it cost. So I'll just go here. I don't want this to be a size 50. I'll make it a 32. And instead of it saying title, I'm going to get rid of title and change it to the Rock action figure as soon as I get it to take my clicks. All right, I'm going to trash this one, try it again. So let me click the text and then title, move it over, and instead of a size 50, I'm going to make it a size 32. And it is highlighted now, and I'm going to put the Rock action figure, and the cost for that wonderful action figure was $29.99. I did that back when I did my spreadsheet, and you'll do that for each picture. So I can drag over the surfboard next, and again I'm going to adjust the scale by clicking on the picture. First you have to click on the picture, then I'm going to go to scale and scale it down so you can see it. Add in my text. By the way, if you want to change the layout, there's all kinds of really fun layouts here that you can put in. Like, for example, on this one, I think I'll include a media with it. So I have a little clip from a movie that The Rock was in, and so I'm going to include that. Let's see if this one will work. There we go. Again, I'm going to adjust the scale because you can't see the whole thing. Yeah, you can. Okay. And then my media, that when I uploaded my files earlier, one of the clips was a media clip that I was able to find online from a movie that The Rock did. So the only thing that I need to do now is add in the text. I'll make it a title, and then I'll drag it over here so it just kind of looks the same as the other. and this one is an Action Wave surfboard, and it costs $349.99. I don't like that it's a big old 50 font, so I'm going to change it to a 32, and that one's done. And I'll proceed and I'll do all of them the same way. So once you get the video finished, once you've put in all of your pictures, and I'm not going to make you sit and watch me do this whole project, but as you put in all the pictures, it's just a drag and drop in, and then you add in the text like I showed you on the two previous ones. The very last thing that you're going to need to do is put in how much you spent all together. So let me add some text to this one. I'm just using the same background that I chose for the first scene. And I am going to change it from title to total spent. And I spent $449.99 on the rock. I'm going to throw in a quick Merry Christmas. And maybe I want to make my font a little bigger because it's just ending it up saying Merry Christmas, whatever. So I get that put in. And now I need to put in music. So I'm finished with this scene. And up at the top, you'll see an option that says music. I'm going to pick something that's appropriate. You notice there's all kinds of moods that you can choose from, atmospheric to edgy to lush to grooving. Or you can pick genres. I'm going to go ahead and just pick view all genres so I can see everything. And then over on the left, there's a menu. And I'm going to scroll and find the one that is in the holiday collection. Let me find it here. Mood. Just looking for holiday. For whatever reason, it's not showing up on this one. Let me go back. Let me try a different one. So let's do view all moods. And voices instrumental. It's got to be here. It was here just a moment ago. Genre. There we go. There it is. It's in genre. And it's going to be holiday. Holiday. There it was. Under genre. Okay. So from holiday, you have all of these that don't have this upgrade to apply available. So if it's got the little star looking thing next to it, that means it costs money. We don't have any money. So you're going to have to pick one that doesn't have a star. If you hover, it'll play the song and so you can hear it. All right, let's say I want Hip Hop Santa. So all I have to do is hit the plus sign. And now that's been added to my video. I'm going to close this out. I've got my song. So I have everything done. To preview it, you click the play button over here. It's going to take it a little bit to render it, so be patient. And once it renders it, it'll start playing that video back. We won't watch the whole playback, but just to give you an idea, see the watermark. You're going to definitely have a watermark because, again, it costs money not to have watermark, and we are doing the free thing. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and close the preview. I will tell you, as I was watching this, I realized that one of the instructions tells you that you have to insert a video. Now, I had mine inserted from a clip I found online. But if you want to use a stock video, you can instead go to stock. And then where it says media type right here, choose video. And then, again, we're looking for the ones that don't have a star next to them because they're free. So let's say I want to put this one in. All I have to do is click and drag it over. I'll put it on before the surfboard. Well, I say I will. I've got to find it here. Oh, it put it at the end. Okay, so I'm going to drag it over and insert it in right here. Notice that this clip is 21 seconds long. That is too long. We don't need it to be that long. So I'm going to trim the clip by clicking the scissors right here. And instead of it being 21 seconds long, I'll only make it 6 and click apply. Now my video is done, and you will need to choose export, and then you're going to need the link. So you're going to copy the link, and it'll take you, once it's finished rendering, it'll take you here. Choose copy the link and turn the link into Google Classroom. And that's how you do the Animoto video project. If you have any questions, let me know.